Hello guys, so I ordered a iPad 6th generation from the dark web and it finally arrived, and today we are going to unbox it and see what's really inside this iPad ordered from the dark web. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Okay, so here we see DW. It probably means that it's really from the dark web, so let's get rid of that for a second. Let's get the knife open, scissors I mean. Start cutting away. So remember, this is brand new from the dark web. Okay, so we have the plastic seal unwrapped. I really don't know what's going to be inside. I'm gonna be surprised if it's an iPad, I mean. Let's have a look. Does this just slide open like so? Just give me a second. Guys, and here we go. Okay, I wasn't expecting this, but the iPad is inside. Okay, so I believe it's the 6th generation iPad. What else do we have inside? We'll just put the iPad away for a second. We've got what looks to be instruction manuals. Let's put that away. We've got a charging brick. Not sure if this is the fast charging brick or just a regular one. Not sure. And of course the lightning cable. What else do we have? Is that it? That seems to be it. So this was the quick unboxing of the iPad 6th generation. Thank you for watching.